The WD Black D10 is a game drive aimed at those who constantly find themselves deleting or reinstalling their favorite games. This one's got 8 TB of storage and it claims to deliver up to 250 Mbps speeds, and once you get inside the box, the first thing you find is a USB Type-A to micro B cable. Next up is a neat stand to hold the device, then the power brick with a handy travel adapter and generous cable length, and finally some paperwork. The drive comes encased with some nice plastic protection, and that's about it for the unboxing. It has sort of a container style look to it and it's fairly easy to set up. All you need to do is connect it to the mains and have it hooked up to your console or your PC. If you're using a console like the PlayStation 4 or the Xbox One, you'll be prompted to use the drive as external storage, where you'll have to click yes. Of the 8 TB of space quoted on this thing, it has a usable amount of 7.27 TB and only starts up once it's connected to a device. Aside from the power input and data transfer port, you also find 2 other USB Type-A ports, each delivering up to 7.5 watts of power, which means you can use the drive to charge peripherals, which could come in handy especially when using it for things like consoles with controllers. With a 7200 RPM drive in there, we tested out its speeds and got pretty close to the quoted speed range. The speed we clocked is around 1/3 times faster than any other competing game drive, which is impressive, and you should be able to use this storage to store up to 200 games at ease. Even when reading and writing data, the drive does not make much noise, nor does it heat up to unbearable levels, so we're good on that front as well. Given its form factor and design, I see this as a value add-on for any serious gamer. The included stand helps you set up the drive in both portrait and landscape orientations, and you can use it without the stand too, just on its rubber feet. While not an absolute necessity, it is a tool to not only store games but also gameplay files and data, which could appeal to streamers and social media enthusiasts who upload gaming videos and walkthroughs online. So that sums up our look at the WD Black D10 game drive. Let us know what you think down in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching, this was Vaibhav and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.